Hello and welcome. This is my special series. I'm doing unboxing gifts we're getting for our 30th anniversary. Here at PowWows.com, 2026 is a special year for us because we are celebrating 30 years. And what we're going to do is have a big celebration June, July, August. Leading up to that, we are going to be highlighting 30 brands for 30 years. And in that giveaway, or in that special celebration in June, July, August, we're going to be giving away prizes that are sent to us by these 30 brands. And we've got our first one here today. This one comes to us from Sequoia Soaps. So excited to work with them. We've worked with them in the past. They've got some really great products. So let's cut this thing open and see what we got. All right. Went to a little wider shot here so hopefully you can see what's going on. Got my handy dandy cutter. This is, my parents had this when I was growing up, and one thing I took from their house. Little sword. Makes me feel like I'm on Game of Thrones. Okay. Let's unbox this thing. All right, now that we got that, let's go back here and let's see what they've sent us. This is, again, this will all be given away. So first, we got some information, or a thank you card. Thank you from the Sequoia Soaps team. And here's a little bit more about them. I do want to read this. Sequoia Soaps is a proudly indigenous brand, 100% owned and operated by indigenous women. Founded in 2002. They're older than PowWows.com. In order to keep the next 7 generations in mind, the production is sustainable and ingredients are ethically sourced. All right, very cool. I think this is the packing slip of everything that's in here. So let's see what we got. First thing, can I get the whole thing out? Well, I do want to show you the cool branding. I'm gonna have to. Yep, I think I'm gonna have to go through the sticker. Okay. So what they've sent us is some mystery boxes. And here is the first one. How about that for branding? Let me see if I can actually... Yeah, it's not sealed. So I'll give you a sneak peek into what you're getting. Ooh. This is the strawberry moon box. And oh man, you're getting stickers. Kind of want that for my sticker wall. If you can see right back there, here's part of my sticker wall. But so here's one of the stickers, and then you're getting all of this. I'm not going to show you everything that goes into it, but that's what one of the prizes will be in the 30th anniversary, and it smells fantastic. I'm gonna let this sit in my office just for the smell. That's pretty cool. So thank you for that one. Now let's see what the next one is. It's another box as well. Oh, that needs to go back in there. Okay. Sequoia, proudly indigenous. And this one is the Jingle Dress box. The branding and the presentation on these are incredible. So good. Oh man, and another really great sticker. Okay, I might have to just order some stickers from them. Wouldn't that look great on the sticker wall? Okay. Anyways, yeah. Oh, this one smells great as well. Okay, so those are the first 2 prizes in our 30th anniversary celebration. We're celebrating 30 brands for 30 years. Thanks so much for being here. Follow along over on PowWows.com. We'll have more as the year goes on.